Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Remitly's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Click on Manage button at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on Sign Out option. It will log you out of your Remitly's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.